Hello, good people. 7 things to know before starting a faceless YouTube channel for beginners. Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting venture, offering a platform to share your thoughts, creativity, and expertise with the world. If you're considering diving into the world of content creation with a faceless YouTube channel, there are a few key things to keep in mind. In this guide, we'll explore 7 crucial aspects to consider before embarking on your faceless YouTube journey. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's get started. 1. Define your niche. Before launching your faceless YouTube channel, it's essential to define your niche. What topics are you passionate about, and what value can you provide to your audience? Whether it's technology, lifestyle, or educational content, having a clear niche will help you attract a dedicated audience interested in what you have to offer. Research popular trends within your niche and identify a unique angle that sets your content apart. 2. Develop a consistent brand. Building a recognizable brand is crucial for the success of your faceless YouTube channel. Choose a consistent theme for your videos, including color schemes, fonts, and an engaging logo. This branding will not only make your channel visually appealing, but also help viewers easily identify your content in a crowded platform. Consistency across your channel creates a professional and trustworthy image, making it more likely for viewers to subscribe and return for more. 3. Master audio quality. While your face won't be the primary focus, audio quality is paramount in creating engaging content. Invest in a decent microphone to ensure clear and crisp audio in your videos. Poor audio can quickly turn viewers away, regardless of how compelling your content may be. Test your equipment beforehand and consider adding background music to enhance the viewer experience. A good balance between clear audio and engaging visuals is key to keeping your audience hooked. 4. Create engaging thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers notice when scrolling through YouTube, making them a critical component of your channel's success. Even without showing your face, design eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and compelling images to grab attention. Thumbnails play a significant role in click-through rates, so take the time to create visually appealing ones that encourage viewers to click and watch. 5. Understand SEO basics. YouTube is a search engine, and understanding basic search engine optimization (SEO) principles is vital for your video's discoverability. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your chances of appearing in search results. Conduct keyword research to identify popular terms within your niche and incorporate them strategically into your content. This will help your videos reach a broader audience and attract new subscribers. 6. Consistent upload schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to building a loyal audience on YouTube. Establish a realistic upload schedule that you can commit to. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, having a predictable schedule helps your subscribers know when to expect new content. This consistency not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active and worthy of promotion. 7. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your faceless YouTube channel requires active engagement with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts. Host Q&A sessions or create polls to involve your audience in decision-making processes. The more you interact with your viewers, the more invested they become in your content, leading to increased subscriber retention and growth. Conclusion. Embarking on a faceless YouTube channel journey is an exciting opportunity to share your passion and expertise with the world. By defining your niche, developing a consistent brand, mastering audio quality, creating engaging thumbnails, understanding SEO basics, maintaining a consistent upload schedule, and actively engaging with your audience, you're setting the stage for a successful YouTube presence. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Best of luck on your faceless YouTube adventure.